All right, I'm gonna put you guys onto something. Those of you that are lube techs, that are like other techs in the field that have to do services and stuff like that, oil change services, etc., etc. This is a kit from Harbor Freight. It costs about 45 bucks, and if you look at each one of these oil fill adapters that go onto this funnel system here, this is for Subaru, this is for Nissan and Honda, this is for Toyota, this is for Volvo, Ford, and Mazda. I just used this one actually on this 2019 Mazda CX-5. This is for Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes. This one here is for Volkswagen and Audi. This one here is for GM and Ford. This one here is for Kia and Hyundai. This is a GM adapter. And this right here is a Scion Toyota Lexus adapter. And basically it goes on this funnel here. And then here's like an angled adapter that goes on them as well. This is $45 at Harbor Freight. Or you can get one that has even more pieces on Amazon. It's like by Power Built. I think they end up, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think the Power Built one is about $10 to $13 more. Maybe $15 more, but you get like, I think almost 5 more additional fittings and caps to go with it. So down below, I'm gonna put that in the comment section. You guys were looking at some of the tools that I use when I do services and maintenance. This is one of the kits that save me a ton of time whenever I am doing services. Thanks guys, be blessed.